In exercise 16 we wrote this program, or we rewrote this program from exercise 15, which it shows the index of a letter that the user chooses, whether the user enters the letter in capital letters or small letters, and whether our string is in capital letters or small letters. Now, so this is what we did in exercise 16, but we want to make it simpler, especially this line 5. I want to rewrite this program and simplify this code here. Okay, so I copy this and paste it here. Remember, these exercises are from the one-on-one Python lessons available through owendevs.com. So the thing here is this line 5, first line 4 checks if the lowercase version of my letter is in the lowercase version of my string. My string, of course, is given in the program. My letter is what the user entered here. So, and then here, again, the lowercase version of my string, or rather the index of the lowercase version of my letter is checked in the lowercase version of my string. But this part here is really not easy to read, so that's what we want to fix. So we can do that by splitting this into a number of steps. So for example, we can start up here and say new letter equals my letter dot string. Sorry, my letter dot lower. So we create a new variable which has a lowercase version of whatever the user entered. Then we can change this to this, and again here we can do the same thing. New string equals my string dot lower. So again, we now check this. So if new letter is in new string, new letter and new string are just lowercase versions of my string and my letter, or my letter and my string. So again, we replace here new string goes here, and this becomes this is new letter. So that's how to do it. Enter letter to check for E, and it says it at index 1. Enter letter to check for lowercase h at index 0.